Welcome to this video on how to create an account with OpenAI and generate an API key. Let's get started by creating an account. First, open your web browser and go to openai.com. Under Products section, click API Login link. Click on the Sign Up button in Welcome screen. You'll see several options to sign up. Here, we'll use the Sign Up with Google option. Click on the Continue with Google button. A screen will appear where you can choose your Google account. Once you've selected your account and logged in, you'll automatically be taken to the OpenAI dashboard. Now that your account is ready, let's move on to creating your API key. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Then select User API Keys. This will take you to the API dashboard, where you can manage your API usage and keys. Once phone number verification is done, Create New Secret Key pop-up will appear. Enter the name which is for our identification purpose and click Create Secret Key button. A pop-up window will appear with your new API key. Make sure to copy the API key immediately, because for security reasons you won't be able to view it again later. If you lose the key, don't worry, you can always create a new one. Now that you have your API key, you can start integrating OpenAI services into your application. That's it. You've successfully created an OpenAI account using Google and generated an API key. Thank you for watching.